hello. It looks like we are live. Okay, we're just going to give this a few seconds, make sure everything is working out just great. Okay, so we are live. I'm going to just take care of one thing, share this to my page right now. I'm not going to share it there, I'm just going to share it there. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Yeah, so we are going to be doing a unboxing today of the Rancor Tooth beer flight set that you can only get at Oga's Cantina. We got ours at Hollywood Studio. Yes, there's Michael, there's Mickey, and Donald in the mirror making a little cameo appearance. Thank you. You can comment if you have any questions over here, ask those as well, but we're going to do this beer opening. Just want to do a couple quick, take care of a few things. So if you guys haven't, check out our website. It's themagictravelguy.com. Obviously, you can like us here on Facebook at The Magic Travel Guy. You can also follow us on Instagram at The Magic Travel Guy. We've got some great video content available on YouTube. And if you follow, hopping back to Facebook, if you follow along on our Facebook stories, you are going to see Mrs. Magic Travel Guy, Lisa, my wife, and our beautiful daughter, Dakota, along with Lisa's mom, Kathleen, on an adventure into Wisconsin. They took a little girls' trip here in Minnesota. It's MEA weekend, where school's out. It's like an in-service for teachers, and so they decided to do a quick little giveaway. Hello, Dakota. Good to see you, sweetie. I can't wait till you get home. But they decided to take a little girls' trip, drive down the St. Croix River into Wisconsin and check that out, so that's where they are. Again, I'm joined by my friends. You can see them here, Mickey and Michael, and then we've got Donald up there. So yeah, follow along with the girls on their trip, and then make sure to like us and check out our website. We will be coming out hopefully with a new logo soon, fingers crossed, working on that. And we should have a newsletter out soon with some great updates about the Magic Travel Guy. For those of you that don't know who or what the Magic Travel Guy is, it is a business that was started by my wife, Lisa, and I. It's kind of a three-tiered process, or three-tiered group. We have the travel agency side, which I do that. I'm a travel agent with the Magic for Less Travel. Wonderful organization. I get to help people plan dream vacations all over. So a lot of what we post about and talk about is Disney, Universal, and cruise lines, but we can do anything. I just helped find some reservations for people up in northern Minnesota, Salt Lake City, upstate New York. And I've done a lot of webinars lately on all-inclusives, like the Charisma brand and a few others, and I really want to go on an all-inclusive right now. I mean, this could be super fun. Get out there, go down to Mexico. So if you're interested in any of that, again, I talk a lot about Disney. I mention a lot about Universal and cruise lines, but I can do it all. Just message me, and I'm happy to help you. I can go from doing as little as you want, just maybe make the booking, help out my small business, or I can plan it all. I had a client that went to Disney World, and I literally planned their entire thing for them. I made all of their dining reservations, made all of their transport, got them strollers. I handled it all, and I am more than happy and excited to do that. So we're going to pin that up. All right, let's get started. So again, we are here to open the Rancor Tooth Flight set. Lisa and my brother-in-law, her brother Tony, got these when we went to Disney's Hollywood Studios in January. We went out one night, Kevin and Kathleen watched the kids, and we went back to Hollywood Studios and got in line at Oga's, and luckily we got in. Oga's Cantina is what this new age, not even new age, I mean this is a thematic Star Wars bar that you will find in Galaxy's Edge at Hollywood Studios. They've got DJ Rex over on the side, who's a animatronic robot who's playing music. They've got these futuristic, funky drinks, and one of the things that they offer is this Rancor Tooth beer flight set. I posted a picture of it earlier, but you get this, and it comes with 4 teeth, which are the drinking vessels, and a tray. It's not cheap, but we thought it was kind of cool and worth it, so we got ourselves one. Tony got one, and then we have another one that's available in case anybody does want to buy it if you're not going to get down there and you're a super big Star Wars fan. But hello, Chrissy. Thank you for joining. We're going to open it up. So you get it, you drink it there, and then they send you home with a brand new box, an unopened box of this. So you don't take home the ones that you've been drinking out of. It could get a little messy, could get a little sticky as you leave the place. But you go in, we sat right at the bar, had a few drinks. They were fun. They were vibrant colors. They had snacks. They had all sorts of other food there. But we decided to try these, and again, you drink them, and then you get to take it home. So, again, the Rancor Tooth Flight set. I'm going to open this up. I am also wearing my Star Wars shirt. Darth Vader. He's going to approve of this. So here we go. If you have any questions, again, type those in the comments, and we can go from there. While I'm cutting this open, we did find out recently that we're able to book such Minnesota locations for those of you in the upper Midwest as Madden's and Grandview Lodge. So that's super exciting. I know that a lot of people might not want to fly, or they're looking for those places that are close and drivable. Found out I can book those, which is really cool. I have I've been to by Madden's, I've been to Rutgers, I've been to a few others up north, so it's I can help you with those. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, so I'm starting to take the box open. We've got some styrofoam in here, don't need that. I'm just going to show you this really quick. That is the stand that the beer flights go in. So I'm going to keep opening this up. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Pull this out, okay. Here is the stand. I'm just going to set that there. So it's very strong. It's almost like a really hard polyurethane, plastic. I don't even know what you would say this is made of, but it looks like wood. It feels good. It says on the back, do not dishwash, hand wash only with a soft cloth. And then you can also see on, backwards here, it says Star Wars on here. Also it says first edition Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, LFL Lucasfilm. So that's kind of cool. It says that on the bottom side. So we know that this is one of the official pieces from there. All right, so we're going to set this down right here. I'll move the camera once we're done and show some of this. What's that? That's nothing. Okay, so these are the tooth cups. So these are the vessels that you drink out of. Again, when you get this, you get 4 of them. What's kind of nice is they have these handles on here, so if you have those beer cups in there, you got a nice way to kind of walk around and do this. Also, if you're a Vikings fan, you're going to see, like a Minnesota Vikings fan, you're going to see that this could double up as something for a Minnesota Vikings person. So, all right, yeah, Chrissy, you've never gone to Grandview. I need to go. Is that what you're saying? Never to Grand? You better go. Well, maybe you'll have to take me up there sometime, and we'll have a little family vacation up at Grandview Lodge. Okay, here is the cup. It was wrapped up nicely in this. So again, if you, like I said, if you're a Vikings fan, it kind of looks like a. But here it is. I'm going to put this on autofocus so you can get a good view of that there. Look at that. So really cool looking. Very intricate details on there. Oh, a little blurry. Sorry about that. But super shiny. I haven't seen this in a while. That's where your beer goes. And then set it in just like that. So that is one of the 4. Again, we ended up getting 3 of these because there were 3 of us there, and we figured, what the heck. Usually when you go to Oga's, they have a time limit for you. The night we went, it wasn't extremely busy, and the amount of money that we spent, they did not kick us out, which was nice. So I hope to get back down there again. It's really cool. If you are a Star Wars fan, I just got to say, Galaxy's Edge at Hollywood Studios, super immersive. it sounds like TIE fighters are flying over your head at certain points. They've got characters walking around. The last time Lisa and I were down there in August, we saw Kylo Ren and stormtroopers. They've interacted when we were down there in January. The interactions that the stormtroopers and Kylo Ren had with Dakota, our daughter, who's a super huge Star Wars fan, it's just memorable. She remembers the moments when Kylo looked at her and said, "Excellent," or when the stormtroopers were talking to her and they told her to stay on alert, and she said, "I will." And as a parent, watching her do that as a Star Wars fan, it was super cool. We absolutely loved it. So the beer does taste delicious in these. So again, here's the second one. 4 of these. I'm pretty sure they're all the exact same. There's 2. You know, they've got a nice sound to them. Might have to enjoy a beer in them tonight. But yeah, so lately I have been doing some webinars and trainings with like Charisma, All-Inclusive Resorts, and a few others. Charisma's got some adult all-inclusives. They have some family ones like Nickelodeon, and then Charisma just started their own line of Margaritavilles that they're going to be opening. So if you're interested in those, I can help you get some information on them. Here's number 3. Oh, and I never finished. So, Magic Travel Guy. 3 tiers of that. 1, travel agent, which is what I do with the Magic for Less Travel. Great organization. Absolutely love doing it. The second one is the vacation rental that Lisa and I own with her side of the family in Fort Myers Beach, Florida. We affectionately call it 393 Denora, or the Blue Door House, or the Island Beach Retreat. You can find out more information on that at 393denora.com. Wonderful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, private pool, private hot tub, half a mile from the beach. We love it. Absolutely amazing place to go. If you haven't been to that part of Florida to enjoy the Gulf of Mexico, it's beautiful. The beach is amazing. And really, if you want to get down somewhere and social distance, it is a great spot for that. You can go sit on the beach and you can have most of the place to yourself. You can also go and enjoy some, if you don't want to go to the bars, even when you're down there, the restaurants, full kitchen, tons of balconies, great pool. You can stay in the house, but enjoy the weather. Speaking of weather, it snowed here in Minnesota today. Looking outside, started to snow, now it's gone, the sun's shining. Welcome to Minnesota. All right, here is number 4. So opened all those up. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So there are the 4. Pretty cool. Again, this nice durable stand. When you fill this up, it could be kind of heavy. So they've got the handles on there so that you can walk this around. And again, when you go down to Oga's, they bring it to you at your table, set it down with the beer that they have there. But they don't send you home with the same thing that you drank out of. They have a brand new box. Getting them home was a little difficult. I think we just carried ours on because it is, I mean, this was the box that it came in. So it was a nice size. But we were able to bring those home. And now I'm excited that we get to open it. And I hope to use it. So if you do have any questions, again, put those over there. But this is our beer flight. The Rancor Tooth Beer Flight set from Oga's Cantina in Galaxy's Edge at Walt Disney World's Hollywood Studios. Is it ceramic? Great question. It is definitely breakable. These are extremely breakable. You can hear that there. So they are not cheap plastic. They are not. They're not a composite. I believe that they would be ceramic. So they are... I should look it up. It's a good question. But I think, you know, they hold 4 ounces of beer maybe. Or tea. Or whiskey. Or whatever you want to put in them. I don't care. But they're really cool. Again, Vikings fans. Couldn't you see, like, sitting there during a Vikings game and... You've got this on, or maybe you're a Chicago Bulls fan and you want to do this. But all right, So that kind of wraps it up, I guess. Super excited to have this open. Super excited for those of you that joined. Was joined here again by Michael, Mickey, and you can see Donald up there in the corner. Hopefully doing some more videos. Again, check us out on themagictravelguy.com. As always, like us here on Facebook. Would love that. Follow us on Instagram. My wife Lisa, Mrs. Magic Travel Guy, and little Mrs. Magic Travel Guy Dakota, along with my mother-in-law Kathleen, are on a girls trip. So they will be posting some photos on our stories here on the Magic Travel Guy. Some beautiful photos. They're right on the river. Some great foliage right now in the state of Minnesota and Wisconsin. So check that out. Follow along with them. Any travel needs that you have coming up, please let me know. Would love to help you do that. And the third part of the Magic Travel Guy is the blog. Lisa just put out something traveling during COVID. You can find that on themagictravelguy.com. So with the 3 tiers again, I'm kind of all over the place. I never got to finish those. Travel Agent number 1, 2, 393 Denora, our vacation rental down in Fort Myers Beach. You can check that out at 393denora.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. My brother-in-law Tony was just down there. Everything's great. The weather is marvelous. The pool looked outstanding. They were able to distance as much as they needed to and wanted to. There's a Walmart not far from there. You can get all your groceries. Costco. Usually we fly in, stop over at Costco, get all our groceries for the week. And so if you're interested in that, let us know. We do have a friends and family discount. So message us, and we are happy to share that with you. And then the third part of the Magic Travel Guy is our blog. Again, the latest one was traveling during COVID. We'll have some more great insight and tips coming out soon. So dips in those? Maybe. You could put a little guacamole in here. Dip that out. A little hummus. Lisa's going to come up with some great ideas on what we could do with this. I mean, it is fashionable, but also functionable. So, again, I thank you all for joining me today. I hope to do some more of these. It's kind of fun just to do this. I don't have any other unopened things, unfortunately, but I'll figure out some stuff to talk about. So, that's about it. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Again, it's not snowing anymore here in Minnesota. The sun's out. It's October. What can you do? But that is all from here, the Magic Travel Guy layer. Hope all is well. We will catch you on the flip side. Contact me. All your travel needs. I am the Magic Travel Guy.